Wisconsin health officials are seeing a rise in respiratory viruses. So which ones and how concerned should you be? Newsday Now's Allison Fergit joins us live with the answers. Allison.
Ken, as the months get colder and people stay inside, viruses have an easier time spreading. And there are some basic things to keep in mind to keep yourself and others safe.
So we're seeing a lot of influenza-like illness, and that makes up of RSV, influenza. You can put COVID into that also.
We're right in the thick of it, flu season. And luckily in the Coulee region, as respiratory illness continues to spread, most cases Amplify Health is seeing are mild.
Which means we're seeing a lot of people come into our urgent care seeking treatment, maybe some ERs, but we're not seeing a ton of people coming into our hospital as inpatients.
But we're not in the clear yet, as respiratory illness cases continue to climb locally and in the state.
Usually the month of January into February is where we typically have the higher amount of cases, or our peak of our season.
Simmons says there's an uptick during these cold months because people are staying inside. And right now, Amplify is seeing a spike in influenza A cases. Simmons says it comes as there's a lower vaccination rate for the virus.
This year and the past couple years, we have seen less intake of the traditional influenza A or B vaccine that's out there. So those numbers have not gotten back to what we've seen before the pandemic.
While the vaccine doesn't guarantee you won't get the virus, it does weaken its effects.
You may only be ill for a few days if those that have been vaccinated compared to those that aren't.
Simmons says there are some symptoms to watch out for and signs for when you should stay home.
Any of those respiratory viruses that you definitely have a fever, chills, just feeling like you're very run down, that's a good time to just lay low and rest and get lots of fluids and sleep and take care of yourself.
Simmons said they're also seeing a rise in norovirus, which can cause stomach pain and vomiting. To prevent that and respiratory viruses from spreading, make sure to wash your hands. Ken?
All right, Allison Fergit live in studio. Thank you.